So, coming at you again with a short video here. This lovely thing happened last night at work. I guess technically this morning at work, 2 in the morning. Some broad wrecked the front of my BMW now. So because my Vette got wrecked last week, I decided I'm not going to drive it anymore before the Vette show. I don't need to get fucking tore up anymore. So I drive this thing. What happens? Boom. Done. Oh yeah. Get that. Isn't that lovely? So, I think this piece is salvageable. I might be able to sand it and, I guess, paint it. This is obviously destroyed. So this whole piece is one piece that wraps around. There's this piece in the middle that holds the plate on. Then there's that separate piece. This wasn't hit. She just smashed up my plate, tore the screw up, so I'm not going to be able to get that out easily. This needs replaced. This needs repaired. My question of the day to anyone who knows, and Nathan, if you watch this, you can answer me maybe. How do I get the stuff off? Do I just yank on this and it pops off? Is it like screwed on from the back with like little half-turn deals or something? I don't know. Do I have to pull the bumper off and then I can get to these, pop them out from the back? You tell me. Because she hit me. I watched her do it. She backed right on my car, boom, and then rolled out. Blue Ford Escort. City of St. Louis. Go figure. You know. So, I don't know. I'm obviously never going to find, unless I get lucky and find her trolling around, that I can squeeze blood from her turn and get her to repair this, or pay to have this fixed. So I'm probably going to be on my own, but I'm wondering what you think the best course of action. Should I just replace this piece and this piece? Should I sand this and paint it black? Should I sand it and paint it the color of the car? Should I, I don't know. I need to know how to get these pieces off and then figure out what I should do with the rest of this. So if you have any ideas, let me know. Appreciate it. Thanks for your time. Peace.